Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Network icon is taskbar showing no internet connections. So how to fix? So first check whether the network adapter it's enabled or not. Click to start, type device manager, open it, then find out the network adapter, select this. So guys, this is for the Wi-Fi. Now I am connected from the Wi-Fi. Okay, so this issue is getting via Wi-Fi. So enable and disable this service: wireless, VLAN, Wi-Fi, WLAN. This is the Wi-Fi name in the task device manager. Okay, and if you are connected via LAN, so check out the local area network. Okay, name. Then right click to uninstalled and then click to uninstall it. Okay, and after that it will remove from this, and then again the next click to action, and then click to scan hardware changes. After that it will come back again. Okay, and then minimize it, close it. Then perform a network reset. Click to start, click on setting, then click to network and internet, and scroll down, find out advanced network setting, a network reset setting, and then just click reset now. Okay, and after that close it. Then next, reset the network structs. So click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. After that enter this command one by one. Then you can see this is command, and this command I will give in description and on screen also, so you can enter the one by one and you can enter all in at a time. Okay, then close it. Then next, update driver. Now click to start, type device manager, open it, and then find out the network adapter. So this is Wi-Fi. Right click to update driver and update automatically, and then close it. If you are connected via LAN, so select this LAN and right click to update driver and update automatically, and then close it, close it. Then guys, repair Windows system file. So open command prompt, click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator and type this command and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage. This command will corrupted file to restore via this command, and when it is completed then try to second one. So second one is sfc space slash scan now. So this is also important for the your system. Okay, when it is completed both one by 100% completed, and then close it and then restart your system. Okay, and after the restart again open the command from. Okay, and then after that type ping, ping 8.8.8.8 and hit enter. So you can see it's still millisecond, 9 millisecond it's coming bytes from the Google DNS. This is Google DNS, means now it's your internet is working properly. Okay, thank you guys, and please comment me about my video. Thank you.